LCD screens all have a backlight lifespan parameter, and the lifespan of the LED tubes for backlighting on LCD screens is limited. Generally, industrial LCD screens have a backlight lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, which can be used 24 hours a day for more than 5 years. However, the LCD screen will gradually darken appropriately. In addition to industrial LCD screens, the backlight lifespan of ordinary LCD screens can also reach 15,000 hours, which refers to the limit conditions of the LCD screen working 24 hours a day. So why does the backlight of LCD screens experience light decay? Today we will conduct an accelerated aging test on the backlight of LCD screens, which is a test of the lifespan of LCD screens. We conduct experiments on LCD screens at high temperature, high humidity, and low temperature. Place the LCD module in a constant temperature chamber with a temperature of +60 or +80 and a relative humidity of 70% or 80%. Apply voltage to make it display for 500 or 1000 hours of operation, and investigate the failure rate of the LCD module. Determine the lifespan of the LCD screen based on the above tests. The experimental results found that the lifespan of the backlight of LCD screens in these environments is not as long as that of LCD screens in normal environments. In summary, the lifespan of the backlight source determines the lifespan of an LCD screen. The light decay of the backlight source is actually a gradual decay process. So, what are the reasons that cause the light decay of LCD screens and affect the backlight lifespan of LCD screens? Let's take a look together. One, there is a quality issue with the LED light strip of the LCD screen itself. If the LED crystal used has poor physical condition, fast brightness attenuation, or there are certain defects in the production process. In terms of the product itself, the key is the issue of heat dissipation. Generally, low-end products do not pay attention to heat dissipation, and under long-term use, the degree of light attenuation will be relatively high. In addition, the thermal resistance of LED grains themselves, the influence of silver glue, the heat dissipation effect of the substrate, as well as the colloid and gold wire aspects are also related to the light attenuation of the backlight source. To the use conditions and environmental issues of LCD screens. 1. Long-term exposure of LCD screens to sunlight or rain. The LCD screen should not be regularly exposed to sunlight, otherwise it will make the LCD box more fragile, and frequent rain will accelerate the aging and rusting of internal components. Moreover, the backlight of LCD screens is often attached to the back of the screen. If used outdoors, frequent exposure to sunlight can shorten the lifespan of the backlight, and rain or watering can also weaken the backlight effect. But some products have fixed usage scenarios, such as infrared thermometers, outdoor handheld devices, etc., which requires us to work hard on the equipment.